Hello from OGS Mechanics workshop, where today we've got this Mercedes W212 chassis, an E-Class. Car came in with headlight not operating. Now, I'm going to show you what we have found. This is the old headlight with you would say it's just a small crack, but through this crack, moisture got inside the headlight. And here we do have the control unit. As you can be seen, water ingress on the board have caused the headlight to stop operating, and at this stage there was nothing that we could have done. The control unit had to be replaced, but along with them the headlight. Now on those vehicles, it's not just a straightforward procedure where you replace the headlight and it will start operating. This headlight has to be coded to the car, and this can only be done with the Mercedes dealer tool and the scanner. This is the scanner, which basically programs some QR codes into the car in order for the headlight to start operating, because without programming, the headlight was simply not operating. Again, a glimpse in our activity here in OGS Mechanics, where we perform tasks like general services and full programming and coding to dealer level. Thanks for watching.